Vybz Kartel is speaking out after fans questioned why he missed his big Trinidad concert. Kartel took to Instagram to explain why he pulled out of the One Caribbean Music Festival at the last minute. He says there were serious issues with the promoters, adding, "Memba a years minoya, the signing was recorded and my money paid out." Kartel says he gave the promoter a chance, but things clearly went wrong. Now he's defending his decision and making sure fans know the truth. Do you support Kartel's move? Drop a comment below and subscribe for more dancehall updates.
Promoter for the Trinidad show. Remember years me know you. Remember when you forward initially for the show. My lawyer was there. My manager was there. Remember the signing was recorded. Remember the money where you're talking about, the legal team, out of my money it forward. Because remember your ball and I say, TJ, me know him long time, give him a blind. TJ reluctantly give a blind. You miss deadline after deadline. Me beg for him, say, TJ, give me a blind. You bring me now in a loggerheads with the government of Trinidad. Me never tell you someone do no school. My job is to perform for the people. Me's an entertainer. Me get paid to entertain. Remember, you wanted to keep the show during Carnival. Me look for you, me say you can't do that. Don't mess with the culture. Carnival, Trinidad thing, make them do them thing. TJ tell you if you don't do it. Angostura tell if you don't do it. Cartel tell if you don't do it. Countless people tell if you don't do it. You force the issue, till eventually you see it can't work. So now you did want to bring me at loggerheads with the culture of Trinidad. Deadline after deadline, crying after crying. You just couldn't manage a cartel show, and that's the thing to tell the people then. In a discussion. My only regret in the situation is that the Trinidad people are them you rob out of the chance to see cartel after so many years. So you see me a positivity me I deal with and good energy. So me apologize to the Trinidad people. Big up the government of Trinidad. And me blame myself in some way because me should have known say and every promoter can manage Vybz Kartel. It takes a lot.